Great news for personal WhatsApp users. In WhatsApp new updates, they have now rolled out the option for users to input link. This option has been available for WhatsApp business users for a very long time, and I think they just rolled it, and over time it will be improved. Let me show you how to insert link into your WhatsApp profile. From there, user can visit your shop, your Instagram, and other pages. So first thing, when you log into your WhatsApp account, your personal WhatsApp account, you tap on this option, you go to settings, and then you tap on your name. So you see links. After your name and about, you see links, you tap on it, and you see add links to your WhatsApp profile, help contact, easily access other profiles. So for now, the only option here is Instagram. So I'll just go ahead and add my Instagram page here, the art. Let's see, Lucas text, and then you save it. Or you can also control the privacy settings. So in case you want only those that you have their contact, or you want everyone to see the links in your profile, you want nobody to see the links, you can also configure that in the privacy settings. So for now, this feature has just been rolled out, and only Instagram can be added. But I believe in the nearest coming months or years, you can add your blog, your Shopify, your music website, anything, any website at all. So for now, let's just know how to do this. I will update you as further updates rolled out. Thank you, and don't forget to share this.